this out. This is Martha, and as you all know, we are going to be going to 4 of the top-notch hydraulic shops in California. First off, we hit it here at Homie's Hydraulic in Paramount, California. We're going to check out their custom framework, and their hydraulic installation. So let's go see what these guys have to offer. Now this is where it all starts. This is before, and in a minute I'll show you after. Hey guys, let's check out one of the best customized frames built by Anthony Fuentes, member of Southside Car Club and owner of Homie's Hydraulics. This frame is spectacular. You don't want to miss this. Everybody check it out. Here we are at Hoppos Hydraulics, Top Shop number 2 in Ontario, California. Hoppos specializes in airbags, hydraulic installation, and radical hoppers. So let's go take a sneak preview at what Hoppos has to offer.
What's up? This is one of our setups that we did about a year ago. This is your basic everyday use setup, 2 pump, 8 batteries, front, back, corner, corner. Check it out, man. Hey, check this one out. This is one of, like the other setups, it's a 2 pump, 8 battery setup. But this one here, we went ahead and did the chrome racks and chrome fittings, steel braided return lines, and it's a nice clean setup, very dependable. This is for your everyday use, but with a little bit of the chrome add-ons. Check it out.
something a little different that we do here too, like 4x4s and airbags. This is, we're putting airbags on this truck, and he wanted it also even lifted higher, but they don't make a kit for us, so we had to make everything custom. We had to make a drop down, we had to make custom A-arms, and basically he wants to play with it on there too and take it out in the dirt if he wants to. But check it out, Tony.
Check this out. This is the beginning stages of putting together a show setup. On this one here, it's a whammy setup with 6 batteries, chrome racks. It's accented with a little bit of gold. It's got the big blocks, the big nut on the tank. Check it out, man.
Everybody, it's time for me to cruise to Top Shop number 3. Check it out. Okay guys, so now we're at our 3rd Top Shop in Van Nuys, California, Pro Hoppers Hydraulics. They specialize in their own award-winning hydraulic components. That's right, they distribute. So let's go check it out, because these guys, they keep the pros hopping. Here's a little taste of the components that Pro Hopper Hydraulics has to offer. Take a look.
Where you get your bump from? Pro Hopper. Where you get your good from? Pro Hopper. How you make it in the back? Pro Hopper. Get that in that catalog. Pro Hopper. Where you get your bump from? Pro Hopper. Where you get your good from? Pro Hopper. How you make it in the back? Pro Hopper. Get that in that catalog. Pro Hopper. Where you get your bump from? Pro Hopper. Where you get your good from? Pro Hopper. How you make it in the back? Pro Hopper. Get that in that catalog. Pro Hopper. Where you get your bump from? Pro Hopper. Where you get your good from? Pro Hopper.
Test bench, we can test everything from pressure, new dumps, flow, accumulators, cylinders, hose, springs, test anything on this bench. These are pumps that aren't fully assembled. We assemble everything on this bench from trailing arms to pumps to the cylinders over here. We make our own cylinders. We've got all the parts, miscellaneous little parts. Shafts, casings, 6-inch to 20-inch. We got coils, motors. This whole wall's just full of inventory here.
And of course, but not least, Pro Hopper have their own strokes. My personal favorite, not literally, okay? But I'm familiar with this one. Take a look.
Pro Hopper, where you get your good from? Pro Hopper, how you make it in the back? Pro Hopper, get that in that catalog. Pro Hopper, where you get your bump from? Pro Hopper, where you get your good from? Pro Hopper, how you make it in the back? Pro Hopper, get that in that catalog. Pro Hopper, where you get your bump from? Pro Hopper, where you get your good from? Pro Hopper, how you make it in the back? Pro Hopper, get that in that catalog. Pro Hopper, where you get your bump from?
We got airbags, 2,600 pound Conitec airbags. We got 2,500 pound Firestones. We also got 2,600 pound Firestone. We got bags for the Universal. Those are universal air strut bags.
Alright guys, it's a wrap. As you can see, I'm a pro hopper girl already. Anyhow, you guys seen everything that Pro Hopper has to offer. So for more information, be sure to log on to prohopper.com.
Thanks OG for coming by the shop. Number one, you've seen the stock. Come check us out, Pro Hopper.
Bye.
Pro Hopper, where you get the good from. Pro Hopper, how you make it in the bag. Pro Hopper, get that in that catalog.
Hello, this is your host Martha of O.G.RIDER. Today we're coming at you from Fresno, California. We're going to take you through a tour of the world's largest hydraulic lowrider corporation, Showtime Hydraulics. They distribute hydraulics, airbag systems, Dayton wire wheels, Showtime rims, Harley-Davidson frames, and accessories. So let's go check out what they've got because the playtime is over. It's showtime.
What's up? This is Mark from Showtime Hydraulics. I'm going to show you guys a few products that we have exclusive or that we have on special. First of all, we're the West Coast distributor for Marzocchi pump heads. We got them in everything from 6s all the way up to 13s. Marzocchi is the only way to go. Everybody now tries to run the Rockford gears, and that's just not happening. Again, if they don't say made in Italy on them, they're not real Marzocchis. That's how you can tell. What we're also doing is we carry exclusive for blow-proofs, oil system dumps. We carry them in 24 and 12 volt coils. These things are the only dump out there besides an ADEX, which is obviously the best. It's going to be able to handle the pressure put out by these Marzocchi pump heads. These are made in Italy and these are made in Italy, so that Italy's got quality. That says it all. Also, our steel blocks. We are the innovators. There's other guys out there claiming to bust out with the steel block first, but this is it right here. This is the OG steel block. It weighs 20 pounds. This thing is a 20-pound block, 3/4 inch pressure port. They got the dual side returns. It's drilled out. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than this. This is an air valve that I import. It's a 300 psi valve with an actual 16 millimeter orifice. I mean, this thing is a true 300 psi valve. I got the best price in the market. I mean, it doesn't get any better. It's 35 bucks. We are the largest distributor for coil springs. And there's not a spring we don't have. We start at mini coils, 2 tons. We got 3.5 tons. I do have 3 tons. I don't have any out here right now. I got 4.5 tons, 4 tons, 5 tons, and 3-ton chromes.
Any color you want, it's all here for you, for your switches you can handle to match your car. So just be sure to log on to www.showtimehydraulics.com. You want to bounce coil springs from Showtime Hydraulics? They put you up. Showtime Hydraulics provides strokes of all colors and all sizes. Personally, I like them all. Showtime strokes, they're really tight. Don't forget that Showtime specializes in British wire wheels for the old schoolers. Check it out.
Hi, this is Mark from Showtime here with lovely Martha from O.G.RIDER. I want to tell you about our upcoming car show. We have the Lowrider Invitational, the 2003. It's going to be in Fresno, and it's August 17th. It's from the same promoters who brought you the Corcoran show last year, which had over 750 cars. with Snoop Dogg and Warren G. This year we're blowing it off the map. It's going to be bigger. We got recording artists to be announced. Obviously, Debbie's going to be there performing. We're giving away $22,000 in cash prizes, more than anybody else, more than Lowrider Magazine, more than Boulevard, any show. $1,000 first place for Hop and Dance. It's going to be off the chain. No one's ever done it like this before. So again, it's August 17th. A recording artist to be announced. It's going to be huge.
And don't forget to log on to the website, which is, what is it, mgm.com?
mgmentertainment.com.
Right on. And, of course, O.G.RIDER will bring you exclusive coverage of this event. Ain't that right, Mark?
That's it. O.G.RIDER, that's the only person filming our show.